everybody, I am Dr. Jenkins and welcome to Online Nutrition. I wanted to record a short video just to introduce myself and talk a little bit about how the class runs. All right, so here we go. First of all, this is a class that meets 100% online. You will see that I have lecture videos posted. You can watch them at your own pace, which means you can also re-watch them. So we're not meeting at a certain time on Zoom, okay? You can go through the material at your own pace. Now, if you have a question, email me. If that doesn't satisfactorily get through what we need, we can set up a Zoom so I can answer your questions, okay? But we're not meeting on Zoom at a certain time. Once you log on to the course on Brightspace, you will see everything you need. Please pay close attention. There's a tab called General Course Info. I don't remember what I named it. There's a little tab, a little box. There's a little box called General Course Info. In that, you will see the course syllabus. Now, I know I'm getting older. Things are changing. People don't print things out anymore. Everything's on the computer, on the tablet, on the phone. That's fine. But let me encourage you. I would suggest printing this out. It has everything you need to know. Especially, it has our semester schedule. So you'll know what we're doing every week. Okay? So consider printing it out. That way you'll have it, okay? What you'll see on here is everything you need to know. I want to point out now there's information about a textbook. A textbook is not required. There's one that is suggested if you want to purchase one. But I also give you an online link to a free textbook. So feel free to utilize the free textbook, okay? Everything that you need to know will be included in the videos and the PowerPoints that I provide. So you would need to focus and study from those PowerPoints and videos from me. You can use a textbook if you have additional questions. Okay, let's show you the semester schedule. So you will see for every week what we're covering and what's due, okay? The first week here is just introduction. Gives you a chance to familiarize yourself with the course. Then we have our first actual week of material. Folks, print this out. I get a lot of emails or questions. What's due? When? Everything is right here. So you'll see what we're covering. Usually, for every week, we cover one chapter of material. You will have access to, for every chapter, you will have access to a PowerPoint, a chapter outline, study questions, and a link to a video of me going through the PowerPoint. Focus on the video. If you watch the video, you'll know exactly what to cover and what is extra information that you don't need to know for the test. Okay? So every week we'll have one chapter usually, and then you'll have access to the PowerPoint, the video, there's a chapter outline, and there's study questions. And then each week there's going to be 3 things due. Each week there's 3 things due. A discussion board, a critical thinking assignment, a worksheet where you answer questions, and an online quiz. So each week, 3 things due: discussion board, critical thinking questions, and quiz. The discussion board will always be due each Thursday at midnight, and the quiz and critical thinking assignment will be due every Sunday at midnight. Same thing every week, so there should be no confusion, okay? In addition to that, there'll be a midterm exam, all online, final exam, all online, and a diet analysis assignment, all online. More information on the syllabus, and also as the semester goes on, I will share that with you. Now, here's where I talk about the fact that I do not take late assignments. Not even 1 minute late. You have sufficient time and more to get through the material, okay? I give you all the resources that you need. Do not take late assignments. That means that the discussion board is due Thursday at midnight, not 12:01 a.m. Friday. The quiz and critical thinking are due Sunday at midnight, not 12:02 a.m. Monday morning. This means you need to plan ahead, right? Sometimes things come up in life, so don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until Sunday at 10 p.m. to start your assignments. What if you have a question? If you wait too late, then you email me. I'm not going to have a chance to email you back before the assignment is due. What if there's a technical problem? Your power goes out or something else comes up. So please plan ahead. Don't wait till the last minute. I do not take late work. Now, if there is an extenuating circumstance, something that is significant, and I may ask for documentation, right? A death in the family, you're extremely ill. In those cases, I may work with you, but only if you reach out to me as quickly as possible. If you wait to email me a couple days later, okay? So if anything comes up, you need to communicate with me ASAP. All right? Okay. I think I've covered the basics of the class. The last thing I want to say is Brightspace, our online learning platform, it's a little bit wonky with the email. So, and I had this specifically included in your syllabus, right? And on Brightspace. To communicate with me, you need to type in my email address into the email. So you need to create a new email and type into the to part c.jenkins@hvcc.edu. If you hit reply to a message that I've sent through Brightspace, sometimes I'll send reminder emails about what's due or what we're covering. If you hit reply to a message I've sent through Brightspace, I will not get it. This is a weird thing with Brightspace, okay? But I'm telling you, and you'll see it all over the place. Make sure that you email me directly. Make sure you type into the to, create new email, where it says to, type in c.jenkins@hvcc.edu. All right, those are the basics, folks. I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, I am here. And let's get the semester started on the right foot.